Hello and good morning to my all students of class 10. Today we will discuss about the types of chemical reaction. Okay. What is chemical reaction? In the previous video we will discuss what is a chemical reaction and various chemical equations. In this video we will discuss types of chemical reactions. Now start. Depending upon the nature of reactions, chemical reactions are classified into the following types. There are 5 main types of chemical reaction in your book. First is combination reaction, second is decomposition reaction, third is simple displacement reactions, fourth is double displacement reactions, and fifth and last is oxidation and reduction reaction. And this reaction is also known as redox reaction. Clear? How many types of chemical reaction? There are only 5 types of chemical reactions. First is, what is combination reaction? The reaction in which 2 or more than 2 substances combine to form a single substance. Only single substance is called combination reaction. For example, A plus B equal to AB. Here A is element and B is also element, but we can say that they are made 3 types. CaO plus H2 equal to CaOH का whole twice plus heat. Only one substance will be formed. Okay, one substance will be formed. This is known as the combination reaction. Second is H2 plus Cl2. H2 is a molecule, CH2 is a molecule. To give a one product, HCl. Carbon is an element. Oxygen O2 is a molecule to give CO2. So we can say that combination reaction having a 3 types. Combination reaction having a 3 types. Compound, molecule, element or molecule. Clear? To give only one substance, only one product is known as the combination reaction. Okay. Now we will discuss decomposition reaction. Now we will discuss what is decomposition reaction. It is a second type of reaction. A decomposition reaction, those reactions in which a compound splits. Splits means break down a टूटना. Those reactions in which a compound splits up into 2 or more simpler substances are known as decomposition reaction. When the reaction splits up into 2 or more than 2 substances is known as the decomposition reactions. For example, AB. Here AB is a compound when it is heated to give A plus B and they break down into 2 simpler substances is known as the decomposition reaction. And decomposition reaction is also known as the reverse reaction of combination. Reverse reaction of combination. Clear? Now, types of decomposition reaction. There are main 3 types of decomposition reaction. First is thermal decomposition reaction. Second is light decomposition reaction. Third is electrolysis reaction or by electricity. Clear? Thermal decomposition reaction. When decomposition carried out by heating, it is called thermal decomposition. When decomposition carried out by heating, it is called thermal decomposition. For example, CaCO3 is known as the limestone and chemical name is calcium carbonate. CaCO3 is heated to give CaO plus CO2. Here, one compound is split into 2 or more than 2 compounds. 2 compounds also. KClO3 is heated to give 2 compounds, KCl plus O2. Here, O2 is a molecule. Clear? It is known as the thermal decomposition reaction. Now, we will discuss second type of decomposition reaction. Second type of decomposition reaction is known as electrolytic decomposition reaction or known as electrolysis. Clear? Electrolytic decomposition reaction or known as electrolysis. Decomposition reaction which take place when electric current is pass through the compound. When electric current pass through in a compound, when the compound breaks or splits into two or more than two substances, is known as the decomposition reaction by electric current. Clear? For example, H2O. In H2O, electricity is passed to give H2 plus O2. In NaCl, electric current is passed out to give Na plus Cl. Okay, clear? Photo decomposition reaction. What is photo decomposition reaction? It is a third type of decomposition reaction. It is a third type of decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction take place on absorption of light are called photo decomposition or photolysis reaction. Decomposition reaction take place on absorption of light. We can say that those reactions spills by sunlight. Those reactions spilled by heavy light is known as the photo decomposition reaction. Example, AgCl to give when AgCl is heated in the presence of sunlight to give Ag plus Cl. When AgBr is heated with sunlight to give Ag plus Br is known as the decomposition reaction. Now we will discuss next types of chemical reaction. It is known as simple displacement reaction. Clear? Those reactions in which a more active metal displaces a less active metal. Those reactions in which a more active metal displaces a less active metal, or more active non-metal may displace a less active non-metal from its compound is known as simple displacement reaction. For example, in Fe and Cu, Fe is more reactive than Cu. So Fe replace Cu. Clear? Example, Fe plus CuSO4 to give FeSO4 plus Cu. Zn is more reactive than copper sulfate. So Zn replace copper to give ZnSO4 plus Cu. Is known as a simple displacement reaction. Now next is double displacement reaction. Those reactions in which two compounds react by an exchange of ions. Those reactions in which two compounds react by an exchange of ions. For example, Ab plus Cd to give A react with D to give Ad plus B react with C. Note C react with B to give double displacement reaction. For example, BaCl2 plus Na2SO4. A means A, Cl means B, Na means C, or SO4 D. A react with D to give BaSO4, and C react with D to give NaCl. Clear? It is known as a double displacement reaction, and it is very important for your examination. Clear? There are four types of chemical reaction. Now